Hi everybody, I'm Tom, and I have a very serious question for you. Are you rich? If you are, then don't bother watching this video anymore. If you're not, I'm willing to bet you $500 that you don't even know why you're not rich. Well, I'm about to tell you why. Are you a parent living paycheck to paycheck? Are you a recent graduate with no options and college debt due in just a few months? Are you struggling with mountains of debt? Are you always working and still short month after month? Are you tired of feeling or being broke all the time? Are you confused about money no matter how hard you try to figure it out? How could I possibly know so much about you and we've never met? Easy, because I used to be you. I used to barely live, paycheck to paycheck. I had tons of debt, and I had very limited options. I was barely getting by. In fact, I used to think it was really hard to make money at all. But worse, I used to believe that I wasn't worthy of making money. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you 3 things I've learned about money that you won't hear anywhere else. But you need to keep listening. Now, remember, these 3 things are only a small part of what you'll learn from me in the Richest You course. These 3 concepts that I'm about to share are just a small part of the things that I learned that changed my life forever. However, it wasn't until I started actually learning how money really works that I was able to turn everything around and start living out my dreams. Here's the key to truly understanding and mastering money that I will teach you in the Richest You course. Are you ready? Are you sitting down? The whole point of money is that it's a tool or resource to give you the freedom to enjoy the spoils of life. I'm going to repeat this to be sure you get it. The whole point of money is that it's a tool or resource to give you the freedom to enjoy the spoils of life. Most people generally know that money is a tool. What most people miss is the idea that life is meant to be enjoyed, all of it, and they control everything in their lives. You think you know what you want, but you don't really, because if you did, you would already be rich. You would already have the money in your bank account right now. That is exactly why you need this course. In fact, you probably don't even think you deserve to enjoy life to the fullest at all. You might even think that rich people are mostly evil. This is what I'm going to teach you in the Richest You course. I'm going to help you understand why you're having so much trouble with money, your strengths versus weakness, and how to fix it. You'll be able to take immediate, effective, massive action in the right direction. You will be able to budget and not feel lack or in an endless black hole of debt. You will be able to think differently about money and take positive action toward making more. You will be able to pay all your bills, save, and start growing revenue streams. You will be empowered so that you feel that you now have the power and control over your own life and finances. So if you're having trouble budgeting, if you're stuck living paycheck to paycheck, if you want to make more money, if you're thousands of dollars in debt and don't know what to do, if you believe that you'll always have money problems, then you need to understand these 3 things about money that you have never heard before, and they are: 1, you don't really want money. You say you do, you talk like you do, but your bank account says otherwise. 2, anything can be money. That's right, anything. 3, money is alive. I'm going to repeat that. Money is alive. Think about those 3 things for a second. I'm sure you're scratching your head. This is exactly why you need the Richest You course. I will share with you things about money that you have never and will never hear anywhere else. Are you ready? Then sign up now. Now remember, these 3 things are only a small part of what you'll learn with me in the Richest You course. Sign up now. Take control and become a master of money.